Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. So today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to mute or unmute someone on Threads. So for that, let's go to your Threads app. So this is your homepage. For now, let's say you want to mute Street Art Glob's post. Then just tap on the three dots and here, click on the mute button. So you have successfully muted. Now, if you want to unmute, then go to your profile icon and here, tap on the double bar that is located on the top right corner. Now, go to privacy and tap on muted. So this is the list of IDs to whom you have muted. In order to unmute, tap on the unmute button. So you have successfully unmuted someone on your Threads account. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.